Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 4 is the quadratic formula. It says x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And the problem says solve the following equation using the quadratic formula. 3x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. So first we have to understand that the a, b, and c in the formula refers to the coefficients in the quadratic equation. A is equal to 3, b is equal to negative 2, and c is equal to negative 3, since it comes from the standard form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now that we know our values, we're going to substitute and simplify. So x is equal to the opposite of b. The opposite of negative 2 is positive 2 plus or minus the square root. B squared would be negative 2 squared minus 4 times a is equal to 3 and c is equal to negative 3. All over 2 times a and 2 times a is equal to 3. So now I'm going to simplify. X is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 2 squared is 4, negative 4 times 3 is negative 12, and negative 12 times negative 3 is positive 36. In the denominator, 2 times 3 is 6. So now I just have 4 plus 36 inside the radical symbol. 2 plus or minus 4 plus 36 is 40 over 6. So now I have to see if I can simplify the square root of 40. Is there a perfect square factor in the square root of 40? And there is. The square root of 40 can be written as the square root of 4 times the square root of 10, and the square root of 4 is 2, so that would be 2 times the square root of 10. So x would be equal to 2 plus or minus 2 times the square root of 10 over 6. And now I just have to see if I can reduce all three of these terms, the 2, and the 6, by a common factor, which would be 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, plus or minus 2 divided by 2 is 1 square root of 10, but I don't have to write the 1, over 6 divided by 2 is 3. And so x will be equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 10 over 3.